Foley's all about deception. All sound you hear is deception. It's trickery to sound like what you think it is. And so I guess I work in the art of deception. But Hollywood's also deceptive, not just in terms of sound, but in terms of just how it is down there. It's as bad as they say it is. Just even to get in the room, like I got an internship at Boss Baby, and what I had to just do for that. So I moved back up to Butte City soon after that, and opened my own studio. So if anyone's doing like a small film, I can do sound. I can do Foley work for that, recorded sound. Is anyone familiar with the Wilhelm scream? That's one of the more famous. It's one of the more famous sounds in movies. If you're not familiar, I'm going to roll a short clip explaining what it is in terms of sound design for film. Let's go ahead.
Yeah, I'll just fill my pipe.
Skip ahead a little bit of video to let the Star Wars people know. Howard the Doc, everyone knows this one. All right, perfect. Thank you. Okay. So that's Wilhelm. So that's actually one of our famous sounds. You've heard it tons of times in movies, and we didn't watch every film that's in all the Steven Spielberg stuff. But I wanted to cover a song that's not as popular because the scream, I mean, you guys you've all heard that, right? That scream, I'm sure. These are classic movies. I wanted to cover a sound that's not a vocal sound. It's from one clip, and you've heard it. It's in about 40 or 50% of movies. It's a sound that comes from one video, but you've heard it in so many different iterations. And I just want to show you the original clip, and I'll show you how it's been utilized by people like me as audio scientists. See, you may be wondering, why did I show that clip? And it's not for an easy laugh, it's not for a cheap laugh. It's because that sound can be recreated. So if you could watch a video where you'll see, I'm going to show you films you've seen. I've cut together a handful to show you how diverse that sound is. If we could go ahead and play next. Thank you.
Look what I found, Christy.
What a coincidence.
I've been saving this for a special occasion.
American Pie 2. It's my favorite movie.
Just like you.
You're so sweet.
That's what they said. Oh, weird.
Oh my god.
I spilled some on you. Maybe I should mop that up.
Thanks.
No problem.
Whoa. Wow, thanks.
Patriot, Mel Gibson. Anyone? Okay. Could everyone spot the sound? Some of you might have missed it. Let's just real quick play it back. Keep going.
You're so sweet.
That's what they said. Oh, weird.
Oh my god.
So again, that sound is usually, that sound's manipulated, stretched, reverbed out to be applicable to just about every movie these days. Only like hit movies decide to not use it at this point. You may be wondering, why can't that sound be recreated by the sound scientists we keep mentioning? It's because it's pretty much illegal to attempt to do something like that again. So it's like, that sounds the one clip, and AFE does get royalties every time it's used in the movie. So Tom Bergeron and that whole crew, they're making bank.
That's smart.
So anyway, the piece de resistance to my piece of resistance tonight is going to be a live demonstration of some of my Foley work. And yeah, be excited, because only a handful of souls on this earth ever get to see behind the scenes of how the sounds are created. and a lot of trickery. And I do have to warn you though, besides a special opportunity, it's that once you see how the sounds are made, when you watch a film, it might take you out of it, because you might hear that glass being, champagne being poured, or you might see that trip on a banana and you go, wow, now I know how to do that. I'm not lost in the movie anymore. And you might even see my big stupid face again making that sound. And you'll see me every movie now that you know how the secrets are revealed. So if you don't want secrets to be revealed and to be into movies, I would leave now. So anyways, without further ado, a live Foley demonstration. I have my my intern. If you can come up, and he's going to perform my.
Give a round of applause, everybody.
My understudy. He will be recording tonight. So anyways, enjoy a presentation of live Foley work. Again, never done for a studio ever, to my knowledge.
So how should we do this? We're gonna, intern's got it. We don't need the mic stand.
Intern's got the mic.
Okay, ready?
Yeah.
There's some volume.
Who do you think you are anyway? Fred Astaire. Who? Just go on a sweet knucklehead.
Show everyone what it is.
I'm gonna get to bed.
What makes you think I would ever listen to you? You don't care about Christian. He'll see that. I'll make sure of it. He'll see right through you. It's over for you, Elena. You're just a mousy little thing after his money. He's not capable of marriage. Thank you, Christian.
What are you even here, Elena?
It's just not right for you.
You don't know what's right for me. You tell me how to fuck, Elena. And then tell me how to love.
She's just the next one in line. Get out of my house. Leave my children alone and get the hell out of my house.
Those 50 Shades darker, right?
You can leave on the floor. Cut your little sport. No, you have to push it. I ain't gonna pay. Front kick, Johnny.
Holy moly, folks. Thanks so much for that. I'll take that. Let's give a hand to our assistant. Wow. What's his name? His name is Mazza? Mazza? I don't know. Thank you, Mazza, so much for coming up. Ladies and gentlemen, Bruce Wardwell. So extraordinaire. Entertainment, a singular retreat. That's a guarantee.
He's a professional, folks. Don't be too worried.
Please don't be too worried. Just worried enough. Those are real hits. Hey. We've reached the point in our show right now where obviously we are normally moved to tears. We told each other we'd cry tonight.
I'm definitely getting a little emotional, but we're gonna power through this. It's gonna get a little somber. It's gonna get a little spiritual. We hear he's not feeling very well. The healer tonight, the guru. The guru Sinbad. I just got word. He actually powered through to get here tonight, and he seems very sick. But luckily, he came here tonight for all of us. And I'm sorry. I keep remembering how much I loved. My addiction is gone because of him.
He was eating trash at a trash can. And
they call me Keith the raccoon, and that's done. That's my old life. I was over 425 pounds, and that's just trash weight.
That's all trash.
Sinbad's here.
We have Sinbad. It's a very special night. I don't know how to describe this with more oomph and gusto.
I do. He's a miracle worker, and he's a god.
That's true. Okay. Perfect description. Miracle worker and God. On his way out.
Yeah.
Over 100 years old.
Yeah.
I don't know how this guy has the energy to be here tonight, but ladies and gentlemen, if you have any qualms of life, any sores of mouth,
ailments,
please bring those forward, literally, in your brain. Don't touch the stage. The healer is here to heal. A select few of you from the audience may receive a beautiful blessing. I can't go on any further. Let's go ahead and just play his intro video while I
just can't stress enough how you should be respectful in this next segment and just please get all you can out of him. Okay, fine. Here's the video.
I'm gonna get the healer. Please watch this video with reverence.
No, this isn't it. That's not it.
You should have talked to a Verizon one.
Damn it. Nice game, healer. Guys.
People really come to their own. They get a sense of power. They stand taller. They stand full. They glow. They have purpose. It was just like a shower of golden specks, like a confetti just flowing over my body.
A couple tears came down. I'm just like, oh wow, I'm not this kind of. I'm thinking to myself, I'm not this kind of guy.
I actually had no more pain. I've been dealing with so much pain in my right foot because of my injury to my right foot.
That is terrible to think. God, I hate to be here, but maybe he'll, never know. Maybe he'll heal it. And I was just, take me, Jesus, that type of thing. And all of a sudden it just, poof, and it just kind of disappeared. And I was like, oh, it's gone. All of a sudden I felt better in my spine, and also, I can move my hips around and stuff.
My back hurts and hospital.
But then the next day I went to see my mom, and I walked in the hospital, and she was walking on a walker with a nurse on each side, and they're all going, my God, this was a miracle. She just got up this morning and wanted to walk in and eat breakfast, and she hadn't eaten anything but like a cup of little something for a month.
Ladies and gentlemen, He's over 100, he's very sick. And flew from God knows where.
One step.
The healer has let me know that he has enough strength to do 3 personal blessings. So if you'd like a blessing, put your hand up. We'll try to make it to you in the audience. Okay. You ready? Oh, yeah. Put your hand over my shoulder. Careful. We'll go on the front. Okay. And what's your name?
Claire Fawn.
Can you hear that? Did you hear that? Claire, I'll give the healer some time, but he's going to heal you when he's ready. I'm just going to put the mic up to you.
Yes!
In the back. Do you have the energy? Okay.
Stay there, we'll come to you.
Can you meet us maybe halfway? He's so old. And sir, what's your name? Maharishi. This is Maharishi. You ready?
What's wrong with you, Maurice?
I forgot I have legs. I don't have any legs.
Miracle, come on!
This isn't the sound Hubbard Club. This is C-Man with 2 B's. Okay. We have one more personal blessing.
My best friend's boy.
Who's this?
My best friend's boy.
This one here. Can you please come to the stage?
He is my best friend's boy.
Your best friend's boy? Who's that a picture of?
My best friend's boy, Jacob.
What's the man's name?
Eric Wyrather.
And his son's name?
Jacob.
And is there a special prayer you need healed for Jacob?
It's just that he keeps wetting the bed, and my friend gets very upset. He comes to me in a bad mood. I want him in a good mood. We hang out.
He's cured from wetting the bed. That's incredible. Are you sure? You're so old, you can't be serious. He wants to do one more for the entire audience, a mass blessing. I don't think he has energy.
Yes.
Stubborn, he's a stubborn healer.
You gotta take him to the back. You can't take him to the back. I'll take him. Be safe.
Ladies and gentlemen, please send all your prayers to the healer that might have tapped him out. Okay. Well, is there another doctor in the house for our healer? Our regular legal PhD at home and a special license, a practitioner for healers. This is usually part of the performance where the healer does his tap number. And you can roll over into Keith. Keith? I don't like the look on your face. healer. Stay not yet. Ladies and gentlemen, the healer's dead. He died. He's gone forever. You're the best healer I ever known.
Wasted the last bit of his goddamn life on you!
Because of my what was that stadium? It's out tomorrow. Now we're not gonna get our deposit back. Ladies and gentlemen, this concludes Verizon Performance Sound of Sound. Thank you so much. Please send your well wishes to our healer to be dead. Thanks a lot. Go home now, because the healer's dead and life is nothing. Good night. You know what? Also, another thing, death isn't the last platform. This is platform 9 3/4.
And while we're on it, Building 7, what's up with that, am I right? Verizon Wireless just wants to let you know the truth is out there. Thank you.